In this video, we'll see what computer networks are and about the first computer network in the world. A computer network is a set of nodes like computers and other networking devices. To connect a set of devices including computers to form a network, right? And the purpose of communication, why should we need to connect 2 or 4 computers? The reason is to share information, communicating, transferring information from one computer to another computer. That is one important reason. Then sharing of resources. You can have a software which can be shared among the users. You can have a hardware like a printer, a scanner. Suppose you have an office or a school with a lab of 30 computers or 50 computers, you can have one printer which is connected to it. So when all the 50 computers are connected in a network and you connect one printer, all the systems can share the same device. That is the use of a network. Now, here are the advantages. First one, facilitate communication through mail, video conferencing, instant messaging. Next is share hardware devices like a printer or scanner. The next one is to enable file sharing. So even files can be shared in a network. Then sharing software or operating programs. So you can also share any kind of software and sharing of any other information. So these are the advantages of a network. Now, what is ARPANET? The first network that was formed in the world. Before that, only individual computers were used. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. So this full form you should be able to write. You may be asked in a 1-mark question. It was formed in the year 1969 in the United States. ARPANET was used to connect a university and defense department. The Department of Defense and university computers were connected to form the first network. Okay. The first message was communicated between the University of California, Los Angeles and Stanford Research Institute. Okay. So 3 computers, one from each place, were connected. The first network was formed this way, right? So that network is called as ARPANET. Later, slowly more and more computers were connected and the network became bigger. In the year 1974, the first TCP/IP model was developed. The protocol was invented just because the network was growing bigger. More computers got connected to ARPANET. So they wanted to make it efficient by using the TCP/IP protocol. And in the year 1990, ARPANET was stopped. Why? Because it was no more able to handle such a big network. So it was dismantled and the new internet, the network was formed. So this is all about ARPANET. What is NSFNET? NSFNET again stands for National Science Foundation Network. So this is a program which coordinates the evolving projects sponsored by the NSF, National Science Foundation. And this was done between the year 1985 to 1995 to promote advanced research and education networking in the United States, because that was the time when internet network bloomed. So they supported a lot of projects that was done in networking. What is internet? Internet is a globally connected network and it utilizes TCP/IP protocol to transmit information. And the ISPs provide internet service. Who are the ISPs? The companies that provide internet service, like we have BSNL, Geo Network, Airtel. So those companies are called as ISPs. The following services are instantly available. What are the services available in internet? Email, web-enabled audio or video conferencing, online movies, gaming, data transfer, file sharing, instant messaging, internet forums, social networking, online shopping, financial services and much more. And there is a term called interspace. You should know the meaning. You may be asked in a 1-mark question because it is mentioned in your syllabus. Interspace is a client-server software program that allows many users to communicate online with real-time audio, video and text chat. This is the definition of interspace. Thank you.